Okay, we're in the crawl space of a duplex, and here you can see the air vent. This one's been replaced within the last few years. This one has had a lot of water running on it, obviously, and there was water ended up rotting a lot of these joists and other supports for the floor here in the bathroom under the toilet. That's what this is, the 4-inch, 3-inch line that takes the waste into the main soil pipe out to the sewer. Anyway, we've modified this with some new supports, screwed it in, glued it in as well. Just need to do some testing, make sure everything's back to the way it was before, but better, and put the floor in, install the toilet. Okay, here's the top side of this project. You can see where I've installed new braces. They are 2x6s. Normally you would install a 2x6 for support vertically, but in this application there's not enough clearance between here and there. It's only like maybe 2 inches more, if that. So I'm going to be adding another brace over here and another one attached to this 2x8. The toilet flange, or this part of the pipe, you can see where it was cut down. Usually it's taller, and it's now about, it will accept about 3/4 of an inch of the toilet flange. Not ideal, but it will be just fine. Okay, gonna measure for 2 more supports, 14 1/8 and a little over 14 1/8. Okay, I'm just installing this last support. Better too low than too high. Notice how I'll be tying into the other side for extra support. Okay, just do a quick sketch of what we have here. Okay, here's a rough outline. So the length is 38 inches. And the width here is going to be 25. And our length on this end, maximum length is 22 and a half. And then a little jog here. Jog in is about 2 inches in. And then from there, it's another 15 and a half. And then across the back, it's going to be 25 minus 2. It's going to be 23 inches over here. That's all we need. It's 3/4 inch wood. Okay, I got some holes drilled. My template's a little crooked, but I'll be able to fix that. Okay, here's the moment of truth. That's pretty good. Could trim a little more here maybe, or you can see how we're doing. See, got the feel back here. Probably a little bit on this back left side, right around in here. This thing is a little bit awkward.